Hello students, our today's topic is general ledger account. What do you mean by general ledger account? So first we will see business scenario for the general ledger account. The company wants to have one operative chart of account which is common among all the company codes and country chart of accounts for reporting purposes. The company also wants that the length of an account should be 6 and wants to create the following GL account rules with their respective number ranges. For example, for assets 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99 and so on. Liabilities 2 to 299 and so on. Expenses 5 to 599 and so on. And for revenue 6 to 699 and so on. The company wants to set up the following GL accounts initially. That's cash account, bank account, zero balance clearing account, retained earning account, expense account, revenue account, trade receivable account and trade payables account. The company also wants to control the fields on the transaction documents according to the GL account type. So there are three different types of chart of accounts. First, operating chart of account. What do you mean by the operating chart of account? It is the main chart of account where a company code data is posted directly. Second one is group chart of account. What do you mean by group chart of account? It is used for consolidation reporting purposes when more than one operating chart of account is used by different company codes. And third is country chart of account. What do you mean by country chart of account? The country specific chart of accounts number is entered in the company code segment of a GL account master data in the field alternative account number. So each country specific chart of account number can only be used once. So we will see what is the chart of account. Highest level of hierarchy for all the GL accounts. A chart of account is a structure containing the GL accounts used by one or more company code. For each GL account, the chart of account shows the account number, the account name, and information that determines the function of the account and that controls how the account is created in the company code and in the controlling area. So transaction code for the chart of account is OB13, or we will go by path SPRO, Sub-Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations or Edit Chart of Account list. So we will see practically. We'll go by path SPRO, Sub-Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations, Edit Chart of Account. Let's click on that. Click on New Entries. We will add new entry for chart of account. So we will enter our company code TR, and for chart of account shortcut CL. So enter details, chart of account for TRE1. Maintain language, English. Length, we can give maximum number, GL account number. Length is 10, but we will use 6. And click on save button. Then click on create request. Enter your description. define chart of account and click on save, then click on continue button. So here हमने chart of account maintain कर लिया.